Hey y'all! Welcome to the future of gardening, where innovation meets nature in the most fascinating way. Have you heard about hydroponics? It's a revolutionary method that's changing the way we think about growing plants. It's all the rage in gardening right now, and for good reason. Hydroponics allows you to grow plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water instead. And for good reason. Imagine growing fresh, delicious veggies right in your own home. No soil required. This means less mess and more control over your plant's environment. It's like magic, but even better because you get to eat the results. Fresh, homegrown produce that's packed with nutrients and flavor. In 2025, more and more folks are turning to hydroponics. Why? Because it's amazing. It's efficient, sustainable, and perfect for urban living. It's perfect for small spaces. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or a house with a small backyard, hydroponics can fit into your lifestyle. You can even have a garden in an apartment. Imagine having a lush green garden right in your living room or on your balcony. Plus, you can grow food all year round. No more worrying about the seasons or the weather. Your garden can thrive even in the dead of winter. No more waiting for summer. With hydroponics, you can enjoy fresh produce every day of the year. So, are you ready to learn more? Let's dive in. We'll explore the basics of hydroponics, the different systems you can use, and how to get started with your own hydroponic garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, there's something here for everyone. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and discover the future of gardening. Hydroponics sounds fancy, but it's actually pretty simple. Imagine growing plants without soil. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of using traditional soil, hydroponics allows you to grow plants directly in water. This method has been around for centuries, but it's gaining popularity now more than ever. Instead of planting in dirt, you grow plants in water. This water isn't just plain old H2O. It's a carefully balanced solution that provides everything your plants need to thrive. But this isn't just any water. It's full of all the good stuff that plants need, like nutrients. These nutrients are essential for plant growth and are dissolved in the water, making it easy for the plants to absorb them. Think of it like giving your plants a special vitamin drink. This nutrient-rich solution ensures that the plants get all the essential minerals and elements they need to grow strong and healthy. Because the plants get their food directly, they grow super fast. In fact, plants grown hydroponically can grow up to 50% faster than those grown in soil. This is because they don't have to expend energy searching for nutrients. Everything they need is right there in the water. We're talking 10 times faster. This means you can enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables and herbs much sooner than you would with traditional gardening methods. Plus, you save a ton of water. Hydroponic systems use up to 90% less water than traditional soil-based gardening. This is because the water is recirculated and reused, rather than being lost to the ground. No more wasting it on thirsty lawns. In areas where water is scarce, hydroponics can be a game changer, allowing you to grow fresh produce without depleting precious water resources. Hydroponics is good for the planet and your dinner plate. By using fewer resources and producing less waste, hydroponic gardening is an eco-friendly option that can help reduce your carbon footprint. Ready to become a hydroponic hero? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, hydroponics offers a fun and rewarding way to grow your own food. Let's pick out the perfect system for your home. There are many different types of hydroponic systems to choose from, each with its own advantages. From simple setups for beginners to more advanced systems for experienced growers, there's something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of hydroponics and start growing your own fresh, delicious produce today. Choosing a hydroponic system can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to help. There are lots of options, but some are super easy for beginners. One popular choice is the Kratky method. It's simple and affordable. You just need a container, some net pots, and your nutrient solution. Another great option is the Deep Water Culture (DWC) system. It's perfect for larger plants like tomatoes. No matter your space or budget, there's a system out there for you. Do a little research and find the one that speaks to your inner gardener. Section 4. Building your own hydroponic haven. Now for the fun part, building your hydroponic garden. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Let's start with a simple Kratky system for growing lettuce. First, grab a container. A plastic tote works great. Then cut holes in the lid big enough for your net pots. Next, fill the container with your nutrient solution. Finally, place your seedlings in the net pots and watch them grow. See? Easy peasy. You'll be munching on homegrown salads in no time. Section 5. Green Thumb Secrets for Hydroponics. Welcome to the world of hydroponics, where soil is a thing of the past, and water takes center stage. In this section, we will uncover the secrets to maintaining a thriving hydroponic garden. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these tips will help you achieve bountiful harvests and keep your plants happy and healthy. Keeping your hydroponic garden happy and healthy is key to bountiful harvests. The beauty of hydroponics lies in its ability to provide plants with the exact nutrients they need, directly to their roots. This method not only conserves water but also allows for faster growth and higher yields. However, to truly master hydroponics, there are a few essential practices you need to follow. Here are a few tips to make you a hydroponic pro. First and foremost, understanding the needs of your plants is crucial. Different plants have different requirements, and tailoring your approach to meet these needs will set you up for success. Let's dive into the specifics. First, keep an eye on the pH level of your nutrient solution. The pH level is a measure of how acidic or alkaline your solution is, and it plays a significant role in nutrient absorption. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic environment, with a pH range of 5.5 to 6.5. Regularly monitoring and adjusting the pH ensures that your plants can access the nutrients they need. Plants like things slightly acidic. When the pH is too high or too low, it can lock out essential nutrients, leading to deficiencies and poor growth. Investing in a reliable pH meter will help you maintain the optimal pH range and keep your plants thriving. A simple pH meter will do the trick. These devices are easy to use and provide accurate readings, allowing you to make quick adjustments as needed. Remember, consistency is key, so make it a habit to check the pH regularly. Second, make sure your plants are getting enough light. Light is the energy source for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light into food. In a hydroponic setup, natural sunlight may not always be sufficient, especially if you're growing indoors or in a controlled environment. LED grow lights are energy efficient and provide the perfect spectrum for happy plants. These lights mimic the natural sunlight and can be adjusted to provide the right intensity and duration of light for different stages of plant growth. Position the lights close to the plants but not too close to avoid burning the leaves. Lastly, keep things clean. A clean hydroponic system is essential for preventing diseases and promoting healthy growth. Algae and other pathogens can quickly take over if the system is not maintained properly. Regularly rinse your system, clean the components, and replace the nutrient solution to keep everything in top condition. Follow these tips, and your hydroponic garden will be the envy of the neighborhood. With a little attention to detail and consistent care, you can enjoy a thriving garden that produces fresh, healthy vegetables year-round. Happy gardening! Section 6. Resources for budding hydroponic heroes. Ready to dive deeper into the world of hydroponics? There's a whole community of hydroponic enthusiasts out there ready to help. Check out online forums and websites dedicated to hydroponic gardening. You'll find tons of information, tips, and tricks. There are even local hydroponic clubs where you can connect with other growers. Learning from others is a great way to avoid common mistakes and become a hydroponic master. Section 7. Join the hydroponic revolution. Hydroponic gardening is more than just a trend. It's a sustainable solution for the future of food. By growing our own food, we reduce our reliance on grocery stores and minimize our environmental impact. So what are you waiting for? Join the hydroponic revolution today. Start small, experiment, and have fun. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying the freshest, tastiest veggies you've ever grown. Happy growing, y'all!